UUUU, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out about energy fuels next stock analysis. Now, as the only guy in the space with 40 freaking thousand videos of seeing what's making me money and what's not, it's taken me 5 years, and it's all on my YouTube channel. Like, no one else has done it before. The only person. And I'm here to tell you that it was a great performance on Friday, but let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture, which in this case, well, yes, it's kind of, well, sort of melting down, you know, and you can clearly tell that I have this here. We can argue that we have actually experienced some sort of shift, and definitely that's the side that I'm going to pick. So that's where we are. I'm going to mark up the top. And in this particular instance, only, oh, my bad, let's come here. Oh yeah, 30-minute charts, nice. Well, we have this sort of good demand zone, and the only thing that will matter to me is if it does pull down and does show me some sort of a double break, right? And if this does not clearly happen, then I'm not going to be buying. Very simple. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.